Luke's doing his creepy wave. Go on, watch Luke.
Ellis has come to the door and waving at me.
Ah. Morning, Sandra. Morning, Bev. Right, Jamie.
Hiya.
Let's Stu, Renna, Claire, B, Chloe. God, big Sharon. Everyone's in. Georgina, Joe, Shona, Mel, Nick. Cool. You all done, Luke?
Well, I was just going to do a lunge stretch, but if you're back in, bro, you can crack on.
No, you finished that lunge stretch.
Okay, so everyone up into a lunge. In fact, stand up. Really, okay, so you're going to lunge longer than you normally would. So that as you're going down and your knees coming down, you start to feel the stretch on that front hip flexor. So as you get to the bottom, the stretch should be really intense, okay? Quite a really good stretch.
That wave is so good.
You can't do that to him, he doesn't. Okay, guys, we're going to switch on the glutes. So we're going to tense our glutes, okay? Not thrust forward or arch back, just really tense the glutes. In 3, 2, 1, really tense, and you'll feel that increase of the stretch on the front. Okay, hold that for 3, 2, 1, and ease out of that. And then just give a couple of hops to the side, some of John's favourite movements. And then slightly.
Let's have a little dance.
And slowly change legs there, guys. So stand up again. Leg forward. Remember feeling that stretch as you're going down. If you're not feeling it, then go again.
Oh.
Yeah, I know.
Nice balance there, Chloe. Yeah.
To the new box, Mark.
Oh, lovely.
So,
Where'd you get it? Oh, is that from?
yeah.
Oh, mate, I froze.
That's why it's still going. Okay, guys, switch on them glutes.
Oh, God's sake.
Mark, make your phone a hotspot.
Yeah, I'm trying, mate.
And ease off of that, guys, and just pop that hip again, nice and steady. Then back in that stretch a little bit more. It should have eased off a little bit. And slowly ease out of that. Right. Should be nice and stretched off a little bit for a Monday morning. Everyone should be feeling good. We'll just see if Mark's still back in or...
I think we've lost Mark.
No, I think I'm back.
Oh,
He's in. Hotspot.
Yeah,
it might drop out.
hotspot's better than normal internet.
We'll try. The lovely colour you got on there, Luke, today.
Do you like this new one?
Yeah, very nice.
Nice one, this. Got the print down the side as well.
All right, mate, calm down.
Right.
Okay, guys, everyone good and warmed up? So what we're going to do, if everyone looks into the chat, what we're going to do, we're going to post what we're doing today. So it's just a little bit of stretches. What we're going to do, a little bit of another part of the warm-up, just to get you moving a little bit. So Luke is going to demo the movements, and what we're going to do, go through 3 rounds. It's in your own time, okay? Don't crash yourselves. It's just a warm up. So your first movement is 10 air squats. So Luke's going to get into a squat stance. Okay, so feet shoulder width apart, nice and controlled. He's going to go down to a squat and then back up. Okay, so he's going to do 10 of them. And he's going to do 8 glute bridges. So he's going to lie on his back. His feet are going to be flat on the floor. Okay, and then he's going to lift his hip by squeezing his glutes. Okay, and then a slight pause at the top, back down. 8 of them. Okay, so you're feeling your glutes and your hamstrings, so your bum and the back of your upper legs. And then from there, he's going to do 6 reverse lunges. So he's going to jump back up. Just 3 on each side, nice and controlled. Step back up to the top, back down. Everyone happy? Thumbs up, guys. Cool. Okay, so 3 rounds, just in your own time. So 10 air squats, 8 glute bridges, and then 6 reverse lunges. If you lose what you're doing, guys, just pin your video onto Luke or Jenny. Nice synchro there, Colette. Right, Jacob. Nice glute bridges there, Nick. Flirting with me. Yeah, so 8 glute bridges, 6 reverse lunges. Yeah, so 3 rounds through. Once you've done your 3 rounds, guys, what you need to do, you need to grab either like a chair or a box or something to step up onto, and you need your dumbbell as well. Okay, after you've done your 3 rounds. Oh, there he is. Big man. Like a mini version of Aaron, isn't he?
Of Aaron?
Chubby. he's gone rogue. Guys, so 3 rounds through.
Yeah. I know. He's skinny.
Right, Nick, the video's just popped
Yeah.
up.
Sorry, I couldn't see anything. I couldn't see any pictures on my laptop, so
That's right. Mine keeps crashing as well. You're not the only one.
just a warm up still at the moment.
Yeah, it's still warming up. Guys, just nice control on the lunges. Okay, guys, everyone done? Finish. Colette done? Yeah. Mad lady. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do, how this is going to work, we're going to do an EMOM, okay, because then what we can do, we can set a clock and everyone can work at the same time. Just seems to work a little bit better than everyone just kind of going off their own pace. So we'll go through the movements. It's an EMOM for 15 minutes, 3 movements. It works out, obviously 5 sets through. So your first movement is a dumbbell kettlebell step up. So you need to grab your weight, whatever you've got. Okay, and then you grab a box out or a chair out and you pin your screen onto Luke. So Luke's going to grab his dumbbell or his kid, baby, whatever you've got. Basically anything that's weighted. Okay, and he's going to do alternate step ups onto his box. Okay, it's 45 seconds of work, so it's not a set rep scheme. He's going to turn in every leg. Okay, so he goes up on his right, comes back down, next rep goes up on his left. Okay, make sure you alternate it. Like I say, it's 45 seconds work, so I'll tell you when to stop. So he's done his 45 seconds, he gets a 15-second rest, and then he's going to lie on the floor with his weight. Okay, same again, you can use Ellis or you can use a dumbbell. Okay, and he's going to do his hip thruster, but basically a little bit different. So he's got a little bit of weight. So he's going to put the weight onto his hips. He's going to elevate his hips up. Okay, he's going to pause at the top, 2 seconds, back down, and then go again. So do this for 45 seconds. Okay, you should start to feel this in your glutes and your hamstrings. One zone is 45 seconds, 15-second rest. Okay, and he's going to go back up on his feet. He's going to grab his weight in his goblet position. Okay, he's nice and close to his chest. Okay, and then he's going to reverse lunge. Nice and controlled. Okay, make sure you're not smashing the knee into the floor. And then same again, 45 seconds. Everyone happy with the movements?
Yeah.
Two rounds, 4 reps of each movement. So four step ups on each leg, 4 hip thrusters, 4 reverse lunges on each side, 2 rounds through. And then we'll start the clock and we'll get going. Okay, so in your own time, just 2 rounds. Any questions, guys? Unmute me and give me a shout. Okay. Right, Colette. She's there. Okay, good. Close, good.
Come into mummy. Come on then, let's go see mummy. Come on, mate. Come on. Let's go, chunk. Come on, chunky.
Yeah, so 2 rounds through. Chloe done. Chloe's done. Jenny's done. Jacob, you done? Good. Okay, guys, what do I just get a clock set up? Okay, so it basically works out you can do 45 seconds work. Okay, then you have a 15-second rest. When you're moving through the movements, guys, it's not like a race. Okay, so just focus on quality. On the glute bridges, make sure you're pausing at the top. Okay, just a 2-second pause for your glutes and hamstrings working. Okay, so we're gonna go 15 minutes, so 15 rounds all together. Has anyone got any questions before we start?
Yeah, me, OVS.
Yeah.
Are we doing going through 15 times through one action, or are we doing 1, 2, 3 and then back to 1?
1, 2, 3, back to 1. Yeah, so it's just an EMOM, guys. So the minute we start, your first movement, you do your step ups with your weight. Okay, do that 45 seconds, 15-second rest, and then the second minute you go to your hip thrusters. Third minute, your goblet reverse lunges. So you go through that once, and you go back up to the top, back through again. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. Everyone good? Cool. So guys, if you are a little bit still confused, pin your video on Jenny or Luke. Okay, hopefully they know what they're doing. Or not Jenny. Okay, so 10 seconds. So make sure you're standing fully up at the top on the step ups, alternate legs. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. So just steady pace, alternating legs. Keep that dumbbell in nice and close. Nice dining chair you got there, Jamie. Okay, 20 seconds, keep going. Keep going, guys. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep moving. 2, 1. Okay, 15-second rest. Okay, so your next movement is your hip thrusters. You need to lie down on the floor. But that dumbbell is just going onto your hips. Okay, so get ready. 2, 1, let's go. So squeeze your glutes, lift your hips up, slight pause at the top, just 2-second pause, and then back down. Good. That's it, just a little pause at the top. Good B. Sit, Nick. Use throws. Okay, keep going, 5 seconds. 2, 1, cool. So 15-second rest. So your next one's your goblet reverse lunges. So remember you're turning legs so you get your weight into your chest. Okay, goblet position. 2, 1, let's go. It's a nice and controlled reverse lunge. Remember you're not smashing your knee into the floor. Keep going, 15 seconds. Oh, Colette, look at the synchro. Here you guys, keep going. 5, 2, 1, cool. So that's one round done, so 4 left. So you're just gonna start from the top again. So step ups to start with. Okay, 5 seconds. 2, 1, let's go. Return it, step ups, nice and controlled. Good, Nick. All right, Sharon. Keep going, 15 seconds. Good, keep moving. Good, rest set. Everyone okay?
Yeah.
Thumbs up, good, good. Okay, 5 seconds. So back into hip thrusters. Remember you're pausing at the top. Okay, let's go. Remember to squeeze them glutes. Squeeze your bum cheeks together. Good, just a 2-second pause at the top. Good. Go on, Jacob, keep going. 10 seconds yet. Go on, get down, I can see you. 5, 2, 1, cool. So 15 seconds. We're back into the lunges. See you slacking, Jacob. You had 10 seconds there. Okay, guys, let's go into these reverse lunges. Good, nice and controlled. Make sure you're not just smashing that knee into the floor.
Lucky.
Whoa, internet is terrible. Keep going, 20 seconds. Ten seconds. 2, 1. Okay, rest that. 2, 1. Okay, let's go. Good. Third round through. It's nice and steady. Make sure you turn it in legs. That's it. Okay, 10 seconds. Keep going. 2, 1. Good. 15 seconds. Okay, let's get ready. Let's go. And we're really squeezing them glutes at the top on the hip thrusts. Good. Keep going. So 10 seconds. 2, 1. Good. Okay, so you're going back into reverse lunges. 5 seconds. 2, 1. Let's go. So nice and controlled. Make sure you got your balance. Nice, Mel. So keep working through it. 10 seconds. 'Good, rest there. Also got 2 rounds left. 2, 1. Let's go. And make sure we're opening up at the top on the step up. Good. So guys, keep going. 10 seconds. 2, 1. Good. So 15-second rest.
This is hard.
Good. 2, 1. Let's go. Remember, really squeezing them glutes at the top. That's it. Feeling the glutes and the hamstrings. So keep going. 20 seconds. 2, 1. Good. Rest there. Right, so reverse lunges. Okay, 5 seconds. 2, 1. Let's go. Remember, nice and controlled. So guys, 15 seconds, keep going. Two, one, good. Okay, let's go. So last round through. So stand all the way up at the top. Nice, guys. 15 seconds. Keep going. Nice, Stu. 5, 2, 1. Good. Rest there. Right, Clay. 5 seconds. 2, 1. Cool. Back into the hip thrusters. Remember to have that pause at the top. That's Nick. So 20 seconds. You guys keep going. Two, one, good. 15-second rest. So you've got one movement left. So you reverse lunges. Two, one. Okay. Mel the dog with the cracks me up. Okay, guys, reverse lunges, last set. Hi, Sandra. So guys, nice and controlled, good. Luke, where's your lunges? So keep going, 15 seconds. Nice, Jamie. Two, one, good. Okay, guys, put your kit down.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone good?
Yeah.
How was it?
That was hard.
Yeah, good, good, good. So I did. Everyone feel it on the hip thrust when you're squeezing your glutes to the top.
Yeah.
Should feel your hamstrings and your glutes, yeah? Good. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll go through the workout. We'll have a few minutes so you can have a little rest and kind of grab a drink, do what you need to do. So if you pin your screen onto Luke, if you haven't already. Loves it. Okay, so this is going to work. It's going to be 3 rounds. If you've got pistols, you're going to do 30 pistols. If not, what we're going to do, you're going to have your chair or your box, and we'll go through kind of like different options. So it's 3 rounds, 30 pistols alternate, and 30 dumbbell, kettlebell, push press, 5 on each side alternate. So look into Luke, guys. So obviously for your pistols, if you've got pistols, they're going to look like this, pressure. Oh, lovely. So nice and controlled, is going to go down. If you haven't got pistols, guys, what you can do, grab your box or your chair. Oh, put it away, innit? All right, yeah, there you go, or a little bench. He's going to do nice and controlled. He's going to go back sit down on that bench, completely relax, and there's a little bit of momentum to come back up. We'll turn it on each leg. Okay, obviously the higher the box is, or the higher the box or the bench, the easier it makes it. Okay, so make sure you're sitting back onto it, a little bit of momentum, get yourself back up. Okay, so we'll do 30 of them. There you go. So you can go on his trampoline if you want, because he's got everything this guy. And then from there, he's going to grab his dumbbell. Okay, and do 30 push press. So short dip, feet underneath his hips, big drive, locking out overhead. Because if you've got a kettlebell, it's exactly the same. He's going to do 5 on one side. He's then going to change hands. So you can bring the dumbbell down to the floor, grab it back up, and then go 5 on the other side. Okay, you can change the dumbbell on your shoulders or in the air if you want to. Okay, or bring it back down. Is everyone happy with the movements? Yeah, guys, unmute me and give me a shout if you're not.
How many rounds?
5, Stu, for you. 3 rounds through. Okay, so what we're going to do is going to go through the movements again. I know your legs are quite warm. I just want you to find where you can do these pistols. So it's do 3 rounds, 5 reps. We'll go 6 reps. So 3 pistols on each leg. Okay, and then 3 push press on each side. So 3 rounds through, 6 pistols in total, 6 push press.
If we got pistols, we just do chair squats.
Yeah, just one-legged squat, Bev, onto your chair.
Mark, what can I do instead of the push press?
100 sit-ups.
Thanks.
No, I'm joking. Do 30 sit-ups, Claire.
Yeah, good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Sharon, sorry? So, Andrew, you happy?
Is it 30 in each?
No, 30 in total. So alternate. So 15 on each leg, but you alternate legs.
Right.
So left leg, right leg is 2.
Yeah.
Good. Cool. Sharon, happy? Yeah. Okay, guys, so go for your warm-up, 3 rounds, 6 reps of each movement. We'll give Luke time to warm up his pistols.
90 pistols.
Ah. Yeah.
What's he saying?
Says he wants to do 5 rounds.
I'm saying, Luke, that's a lot of pistol squats, mate.
It is when you weigh like as much as I do.
I'm not far off you, mate. I've been getting a little bit bulky.
I mean, with Mark losing all that weight,
Fluffy.
Mark can pistol really quick with all that weight he's lost.
But it looks slim.
It's not the mobility he's not got.
Well, I'm working on it. Wait to do it, Sash. I haven't done it for 2 days.
Oh, slacking.
I know.
Because you've been building your outdoor workspace.
Yeah, I'm drinking beer.
So just remind me, 30 pistols and then how many push press?
30, Jamie.
30 push press.
30, yeah. On the push press, guys, you can do 5 on each side alternate. So say you start on your left side, 5 on your left. Obviously, that's 5 reps. 5 on your right is 10 reps. So you've accumulated 30 reps.
Mark, am I can you hear me? Am I muted?
Yeah. No, I can hear you.
Okay. I'll see how I go with the push press. I might change it to ground to overhead with a plate.
Yeah.
Just my kettlebell feels so heavy at the moment. I feel so off balance.
Yeah, no, it's fine. Do both. Do your plate, or you can do. Yeah, stick to ground to overhead.
Or kettlebell swings.
Yeah, if you want to say back, unless you've got your barbell in there, Nick, and then you can do 30 push press with your barbell.
It's outside.
Outside. That's all right. Yeah, do your ground to overhead, but don't do 30, just do 20.
Okay.
Just it's a bit of a slower movement than the push press.
Okay, cool.
What weight is it? Is it quite a heavy plate, or is it all right?
I've only got 5.
ground to overhead?
I could use 2 5s.
Yeah. No, use the 5, that'll be fine.
Okay. I'll see how it goes with the push press first.
Yeah, if you need to, just go to the plate.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, guys, everyone ready? I'm still warming up. Everyone's there. Okay, so 3 rounds, 30 pistols. That's 30, remember, it's 30 in total. Okay, so you'll turn it or do your chair squats, and then 30 push press. On the push press, remember you're changing sides every 5 reps. So you start on your left side, do 5, 5 on your right side, that's 10. Okay, until you get to 30, and then back to your pistols. Everyone good? Cool. So we'll start in. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So 30 pistols. Try and stick it at a steady pace, okay, until that last round, and we'll up it slightly. Nice and controlled on the pistols, get that balance. Nick, just sit back on your box, mate. That's it. And then up. Good. No hand. Shuffle back a bit, Nick, so you're closer to your bench. There you go. Good. Nick, I'm going to have to come round, aren't I, and show you how to do it. Good. That's it, Nick. So if you bring your feet closer back towards the bench, so walk back, that's it, and then try and not use your hand on the bench. So you're basically going to sit back, bring one leg up, that's it, and then go back up on the other. There you go, perfect. There you go, that's it, good. Lovely. Nice, Sandra. Oh, Colette's got the whole crew. I like it. So guys, nice and controlled, keep your balance. Yeah, lovely. And then obviously you go into your 30 push press. Nice, Joe. Guys, remember, short dip, big drive on the push press. Luke loves these pistols.
Oh, mate. Stop doing this to me.
Oh no. Okay, guys, remember you're changing every 5 reps on the push press. Nice, Jamie. So guys, remember it's just a short dip, big drive.
You right, Robs? Bring your iPad in, Robs.
Good, guys, keep chipping through it. Remember, it's 3 rounds.
Password's 9876. I'll change it later.
Good, guys, did you all get that pin? Remember that?
Do you want more time on Roblox, Mark?
Yes, please.
He's not here, he's at the vets.
So guys, nice and steady on them pistols, get your balance. Nice B. Nice, Georgina. That's it. Straight back into the push press. Here, guys. That's it. Keep moving. Try Jacob. Go on, keep going. So a big drive on that push press. Guys, keep moving. Come on, Jennifer.
How's he? Fine. So, it's feeding really well. Don't need to do anything. Keep going on and stop and looking at.
You guys, remember we turn it every 5 reps on the push press. Good. Guys, keep working. All right, Nick. Good. Stay nice and steady. Nice, Jamie. Good, Chloe.
You right, Mods? Looking at. Wait. I know he's eating it, don't you? Oh, is he?
Come on, guys, keep working for it. Done, Jacob. Go on, get back out in that garden.
Just going on forever.
Good, come on, keep going. Nice, Sandra. Come on, guys, keep moving. That's it, Mel. Can see you, Jacob. Keep going. Go on, guys, let's go.
Yeah.
Go on, Luke. Come on, mate, get that balance.
Mummy said he's going to change it later. Mummy, I already got the password. I don't need to change it. I know it. What do I know?
Yeah, good. Short dip, big drive on the push press.
I heard that, but don't worry. I can't remember. What was it? What is it?
What are you doing?
Guys, try and mute your screen.
It's a random number.
Come on, guys, keep working. Done, Joe? Yeah, lovely. Come on, guys, let's push on this last set of push press. Shona's done, Grace is done. Lovely. Luke. We done, B? Lovely.
I'm not in the room. Out.
Come on, guys, keep working through it. Jenny's done, Nick's done. Come on, Chloe, keep going. You all right, Grace? Oh, there you go. Come on, Jamie, keep going. Nice, Mel.
Mark,
Hello.
I've got to go.
Okay, see you later. Thank you for joining, guys.
Bye.
Bye, bye, well done. That's it, Mel, last set. Oh, Sandra, you just popped back up again. You changed location. Keeping it exciting, different rooms. Nice, Mel, keep going.
Back's really sore.
Where are you?
Oh, good.
Nice, Mel, that's it. Okay, guys, if you're done, just have a breather. That's it, Mel, nearly there.
If you want to stretch.
Yes,
Keep going, Renna.
Cone on the head, Bev. Nice, Mel. Well done, Mel. Lovely. Well done, guys. Everyone all right?
Yep.
Good,
Yeah.
good. Okay, what we'll do, we'll have a quick stretch. So if you pin your screen onto Luke, he's hanging out. Okay, what we're going to do, guys, lie flat on your backs. So you're going to lie back, lie on the floor. Okay, he's going to, both his legs are going to be straight. Okay, he's going to bend his left leg. Okay, he's going to grab his left knee with his right hand. And he's going to just pull it across. Okay, stretch out that lower back, stretch your glutes. Then make sure your shins stay pinned to the floor.
Straight in.
No. Okay, look onto Jenny's screen, guys, if you're not sure. Luke's just moving inside. Okay, so hold that stretch, shoulders stay pinned to the floor, pulling that leg across. If you can't feel the stretch, push your ankle to the floor as well. Okay, keep holding.
It's rain.
Okay, and then slowly come out of that and change legs.
Oh, mate.
Come out of it nice and slow. Right, Clay. So make sure your shoulders are pinned to the floor. Okay, and slowly come out of that one. You're going to stay on the floor. Okay, you're looking for Jenny's screen, guys. Okay, you're going to bring the soles of your feet together. So bend your legs, bring the soles of your feet together. You're just going to lean forward. Okay, and just relax over, curving your back. Okay, and just relax. Should feel the stretch in your lower back, slightly in your groin as well. And then just completely relax into it. Ellis. Ellis.
So cute.
Yeah, just keep holding it.
Yeah.
Like, Jenny, why did you go so slow?
Hey.
I'm joking. Okay, guys, slowly come out of that one. So you can do, if you're going to get onto all fours. Okay, so onto your knees and your hands. Okay, fold your feet together. Just move your knees out slightly. Okay, and then you're going to reach your arms out in front and then just gently sit back onto your heels. Okay, look into Jenny's screen if you're not sure, Luke's. Okay, you should feel a stretch in your shoulders and in your groin a little bit as well.
What am I doing? I'm stretching.
It's rolling around.
I'm stretching. Yeah. I know he's skinny, mate, but he'll get bigger. Needs some milk. Yeah.
Okay, keep holding, guys. Another 10 seconds.
To mute it, Mark. Sorry.
That's all right. Well, unless anyone else is bothered. Okay, guys, slowly come out of that. Oh, we're done. Everyone all right?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, you can unmute if you want. Don't feel like you have to stay muted.
Thanks, Luke.
Thank you.
Mark.
Well done, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.
Thank you, Mark.
Thank
Thank
you. Too long.
Bye.
See you later, guys. Well done. Well done, well done. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. One way to Ellis. Bye, Ellis.
Bye, Alice.
Bye, Ellis.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Well done, guys.
Oh,
Thanks, Mark.
Hey, celebrate.
thank you.
Thank
I don't know how to
you.
leave.
There.
Yay. Say bye-bye. Yay.